If your Pool Payday VIP status is not showing after you earned or qualified for it, the first thing to check is whether the game has actually synced your account information. Pool Payday uses skills-powered account and progression features, so a status that looks missing can be an account or display sync issue, rather than a problem with your gameplay. By the end, you'll know which checks to make before reinstalling the app or contacting support. Start by completely closing Pool Payday and opening it again. Do not just leave the app running in the background. After reopening it, check the same profile or account area where the VIP status normally appears. Next, verify that you are using the correct account. Pool Payday supports an all-games account through skills, so signing into a different account can make your progression or status appear different. Skills, games, window. If your other Pool Payday progression is also missing, treat this as an account sync problem rather than a VIP-only problem. Check whether your normal profile information, rewards, or other progression features are still present. If those are missing too, avoid repeatedly creating new accounts, because that can make it harder to identify which account contains your original progress. There's another thing to check. Make sure Pool Payday is updated. The current App Store listing shows Pool Payday version history containing performance improvements, bug fixes, and additional tournament features. That means updating the app is a legitimate troubleshooting step when an account feature is not displaying correctly. App Store to City. If you are on iPhone, open the App Store and check Pool Payday for an available update. On Android, check Google Play for the same app and update it if an update is available. The current Android listing identifies the app as Pool Payday 8-Ball Pool and shows an update dated March 22, 2026. In 26. Google Play. If the app is updated and the correct account is loaded, but the VIP status still does not apply, contact Pool Payday or Skills Support instead of repeatedly reinstalling. The Pool Payday App Store listing directs users to Skills Support for issues that require investigation. The App Store incident. So the practical order is simple. Restart Pool Payday, confirm the correct skills account, check for an app update, and then contact support if the status is still missing. Those steps cover the most useful checks without risking your existing account progress. If this fixed your Pool Payday VIP status, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday fixes.